come this way?
Oh boy, here you go. Oh, hang on. You gotta pull if you want to be in the snow. Look at that, right through the snow. Oh, are we gonna make it? Oh my God! He just made it up the ramp. Pete, you're awesome. He's like, people are insane. Hi, baby. Oh, you want to open the door and let the puppies out? It's like, I would just want to
Go in.
let me. Yeah, I just want to go in.
Hey,
Mickey, really? He won't bite you. He really won't. He just likes to look like a dork and pee himself while he's doing it.
Hi, Mickey.